Using Tidal gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy music streaming services. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and start listening. Step 1. Visit the Tidal website or app. Go to the Tidal website or open the Tidal app on your device. Make sure you have an account or create one if you don't. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Tidal account. If you are using the app, ensure you are connected to the internet. Step 3. Navigate to the Redeem section. Once logged in, look for the option to redeem a gift card. This is typically found in the account settings or billing section. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. Carefully enter the code from your Tidal gift card into the designated field. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces. Step 5. Confirm and start enjoying. After entering the code, confirm the redemption. Your account balance should update, allowing you to enjoy Tidal-less music streaming services. Now you're ready to explore and enjoy your favorite music on Tidal.